Power BI 101 Webisode 7. How to use Group By in Power BI. The Group By feature allows you to aggregate and summarize data based on specific columns. This can be done using either Power Query or DAX. Let's see it using Power Query. Here we have the employee dataset. Let's try to get total sales per region using Group By. In order to do this, you need to click on the Transform tab first, then click on Group By. Here you need to fill all the fields over here. Basically, first of all, we will click on the table column name basically, which is region in our case, as we need total sales based on region. Then you need to rename the new column, which can be total sales per region. Then you need to click on the operation tab and select what kind of operation you are looking forward for. In our case, we are looking to summarize the data. So we will click on sum. Then you need to select the final column name, which is sales, as we are willing to get total sales per region. After that, you can click on OK. As you can see, we have got total sales based on region. Want to simplify data analytics with Power BI? Follow, like and subscribe for easy tips and insights.